When I had my strip surgery, it was pretty gnarly, actually, to be totally honest with you. It was uncomfortable. It was very bloody. I could hear them cutting through my scalp, which was pretty gross, and it made me pretty uncomfortable. I had a splitting headache the first night and the second night. I had sutures across the back of my head. There was a lot of bleeding the first and second night, a lot of oozing. It was really uncomfortable. I had a really difficult time sleeping, even with pain medication. And there was a lot of blood. There was a lot of discharge. The sutures were uncomfortable. It was very difficult for me to sleep, even on medication. It took me probably 2 to 3 days of icing my face before the swelling in my temples went down, and I actually felt comfortable even going outside and having people see me, because it really looked like I had been in a car accident. For months after my surgery, I would get shooting pains and strange sensations. The top of my head was actually numb for a good 3 months afterwards. It was a difficult recovery. When I had my ARTAS procedure, it was night and day compared to the strip method. The procedure itself was so smooth and so comfortable, actually, that it was actually enjoyable, and I fell asleep a couple times. The procedure itself, virtually pain-free. Compared to the strip method, my recovery time was phenomenal. I was back to work the next day. I was back to my regular activities within a couple days. I felt great immediately afterwards. Within 3, 4 days, I was back to my regular activities, spending time outdoors, and I couldn't ask for a better procedure to have done.